Here are some highlights of our April 23rd board meeting. The Isleview Road pre-construction meeting will be held on May 2nd at 10 a.m. The board received a Pulse Point AED from John Linder with the Itasca County Sheriff Department as part of the Sheriff Department Minnesota AED project. Supervisors approved the purchase and installation of fire alarm system, carbon monoxide, and gas detectors at the Town Hall through American Eagle. The board also approved Jeff's Restroom Rentals Portables for a 2-year contract for the portable restrooms at our parks, landings, and cemetery. District 6 Senate general elections will take place at the Harris Town Hall on Tuesday, April 29th, with polls opening at 7 a.m. and closing at 8 p.m. Harris will be holding their local Board of Appeal and Equalization on Wednesday, April 30th at 9 a.m. at the Town Hall.